So Alec, give us a quick intro as to this lovely new model that you've got. It's a jet. It's a big jet.
Biplane jet, Dom. It's a Taft Quantum 90mm EDF running a 6-cell 5000 pack, and this is its maiden.
Now this is derived from a model that Tomahawk Designs did, a turbine jet a few years ago that everybody loved.
It's beautiful
on the forums. It's beautiful because they have a single wing model and they just glued another wing on top, but we like that.
I didn't buy it for its look. I bought it because it was on sale.
Excellent. All right, now I know you put a lot of effort into this, so I'm going to be quiet now and I'm going to watch you take off the first time. Good luck, Al. Yes, he's up. Well done. Perfect 3-point landing. You just left the undercarriage over the strip. Oh my god. Get the glue out. So maybe you landed a little bit too quickly. Well, I don't know. A little bit maybe. So it's the mains that have been ripped out. It's better than the nose leg, actually.
I think they're designed to do that, Tom. I think if you have a look carefully,
yeah, they're designed to do that. Yeah.
Well, that's a relatively
easy fix. Yeah. All right, flap, and maybe worth programming in the flaps next time.
I think that's a very good idea.
Yeah.
We'll do that.
Bit of a must. All right. Until next time.